Greetings on this sunny day in New York. My name is Shanique, the Creative Vegan, and today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious coconut milk in my Nama juicer. Stay tuned. So this is a coconut. This is a dry coconut and the shell is very hard. So we're using a hammer to crack it open. Now you can do it in a way that you can actually preserve some of the coconut water on the inside, but today is not that day. So this is what it looks like when it's cracked open. Now the hardest part of this is removing the coconut out of the shell. Listen, you do not take out your good butter knife for this. Make sure it's an old butter knife that is dull, and you won't be vexed if it gets ruined. So what I'm doing is that I'm taking the butter knife and I'm putting it through the grooves to actually just pop out the coconut. This is one of the easiest ways that I find that you could actually remove it. It is hard, believe me. It's not something easy, but you're just going to have to muscle up and do it. Now I'm just washing off any of the excess coconut shell that may be still on the coconut. Make sure you wash it off nice and good, so that way you won't have any of the shell particles inside of your juicer when you're making your coconut milk. Coconut nice and washed. Now we're going to take the coconut and we're going to dice it up. So now we're going to add the chopped coconut into the juicer. I like to add the coconut first and let it spin a little bit. Then I'll add some water. Coconut is very rich. So by adding the water, it will actually, in a way, dilute it a little bit, but not enough for you to lose the flavor and taste. Okay, so I'm going to use the remaining pulp and we're going to do the same process again. That way we're going to get all the flavor out of it. Yeah, so we're just going to put the pulp in and we're going to add some water and squeeze it out. If I was blending it, I would do the same thing. I would add some more water to it, blend it and strain it out again. But with this juicer, it's like totally hands-free. You don't have to worry about squeezing all that milk out of the coconut if you're used to doing it with a blender like I am. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please take this moment to do so. I will be posting new videos on a weekly basis to showcase not only my juicing but my delicious vegan cooking. So yeah, so when you hit that subscription button, you'll be notified when I drop a new video and when I go live. You can use this coconut milk to make delicious smoothies, rice and peas. You could add it to your stews, whatever you would prefer. It's very versatile and your imagination is your limitation. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day.